In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a simple personal task system in Asana. First, open Asana and either create a new account or log into your existing one. Keep it simple here. One account you can access on any device is enough. Once you're in, you'll land on your workspace, which is where everything you'll organize will live. Next, create a personal project devoted to your tasks, goals, or routines. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it instantly. Choose the list layout for straightforward top to bottom planning. This project will be your home base, a single place where you can see what needs attention today and what can wait. Now start adding your personal tasks, one per line. Think of each task as a single, clear action. Keep your titles short but specific, beginning with a strong verb like call the bank or schedule dentist appointment. If something feels too big, break it into smaller tasks so nothing gets stuck. Use the task description to capture quick context so you're not wondering what you meant later. Add due dates, notes, and priority levels to each task. Pick realistic dates you can commit to. It's better to finish early than to constantly push things back. Add notes that include links, quick checklists, or key details to save yourself time when you return. For priority, keep a simple scale such as high, medium, or low. If you don't see a dedicated priority field, just type the priority at the top of the description so it's easy to spot. Organize your tasks into sections within the project. Today, this week, later, and done. Create these sections and drag tasks where they belong. Today should be short and focused, only what you can realistically complete. This week is your near-term plan. Later is your parking lot for important items that don't need attention yet. Done gives you a place to park finished work so you can see progress build up before you archive or hide completed tasks. Make it a habit to review your tasks daily and mark items complete when you finish them. Open your project each morning, scan today, and confirm your top priorities. If something urgent appears, move tasks between sections and adjust due dates to keep the plan truthful. When you wrap a task, click the check mark to complete it. That simple action closes the loop and clears mental space. By following this flow every day, your Asana project becomes a reliable, low-friction system that keeps your personal life organized and on track.